Have you ever designed something in Canva and felt like the text just didn't look right? Maybe the letters felt too close together or too far apart. That's where kerning comes in, and today I'll show you exactly how to kern text in Canva like a pro. So kerning simply means adjusting the space between individual letters to make your text look cleaner, more balanced, and visually appealing. It's a subtle tweak that makes a huge difference in professional design. Let's start with Canva's automatic kerning feature. Select your text box, then head to the Advanced Text Format settings. In the Advanced tab, you'll see a toggle called kerning. Switch that on. Canva will automatically adjust the spacing between letters for you, giving your text a more polished look instantly. But what if you want even more control? That's where manual kerning comes in. Here's how to do it. Break your word into separate text boxes, one for each letter or group of letters you want to adjust. Then, use the arrow keys or your mouse to move them slightly closer or farther apart until it looks perfect. This method gives you pixel level precision, which is great for logos, titles, or any design where the text needs to look just right. A quick tip: when manually kerning, zoom in on your canvas for finer control and always zoom out afterward to make sure the spacing still looks natural. And that's it. With just a few small adjustments, you can transform your typography from average to eye-catching. Try experimenting with both automatic and manual kerning to see what fits your design style best. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give kerning a try in your next Canva project. You'll be surprised how much of a difference it makes.